We're like 4 mojitos deep at this point.
You know what? Sometimes experimenting is pretty fun.
Yeah.
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek showed how to make 2 different mojitos. One's called a mojito, and the other one's called a coconut mojito. And I was like, what's the difference? Oh, we got coconut rum. Yeah. So Jennifer was like, we need to find a recipe that uses this because we bought this because we saw it. We were like, this is like
about 2 teaspoons.
Sure. Because we got this and we were like, this looks really good. We want to try it.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't until we bought it and brought it home that we said that once before. And we never tried it. We just keep buying the damn thing. So I figured maybe we should, and we both have been open because we tasted both of them, thinking we've never had one before.
So we might as well get into it.
Yeah. Well, it's going to be 2 ounces of light rum or 2 ounces of our coconut rum. It's going to be 1 ounce of fresh lime juice for the first recipe, original mojito. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice for the second one. So Ian's going to have to be a little bit different on those.
Well, why is that?
I'm going to guess the extra. No, I don't know why. It's a good question. Maybe they want it to be less sour and more coconut flavor.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay.
And then 2 teaspoons of super fine sugar in both of them.
Super fine.
6 to 12 minutes.
Yes. It smells delicious.
Look at that super fine sugar.
I bought one of those things on Amazon, like a little herb garden thing, and I just put basil, mint, and like cilantro or parsley or something I have for the guinea pigs, and they don't like mint, so I have a fuckload of mint. And then we're gonna top one with coconut water. You need coconut water, right?
Yeah, we need coconut water.
Is coconut water carbonated?
Nope.
No.
Good. I couldn't find Vita, so
you can chug.
So it's Goya. Yeah. And club soda for the other one.
All right, so just for frame of reference, recipe 1 is on my left.
Oh, that's good to know.
2 is on my right.
Yeah, they're similar outside of the line.
Yeah.
So
because we're not going to be able to tell the difference by looking at them.
No.
Yeah. You will once you pour the.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe.
Yeah, the rum you'll tell you. We're going to use for Havana Club, if you can get it. If not, what I suggest you do is you go to an island.
Then you get it.
Have a good time. When you leave, stop at the duty free, pick up a couple bottles of that. Bring 2 people, get 4 bottles, and you're good to go. Or you just buy Bacardi, whatever. And then we have plantation coconut rum. You could probably use that other stuff like Malibu. Malibu's like super like sweeter.
Oh yeah.
This is more like rum.
No, this is
coconut.
good. Yeah.
So
very
this is definitely better.
Flavor. It's not an artificial coconut flavor.
Yeah.
The other thing you could do is you could just bypass all the differences and make a mojito and use this instead. But I was trying to like double down on like the coconut experience and not just add one different ingredient just to see if it's going to come out different. It should, because coconut water tastes different. Not a huge fan myself, but
will it be different now that it's not carbonated?
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like not carbonated. Where this one is carbonated, it's not light and bouncy. I don't know. Super fine sugar, by the way. Take sugar, put it in a processor, hit it.
Now it's super fine.
Don't use powdered sugar. It's just that's super fine.
And if you just want it fine, just pulse it a couple times.
Yeah, and if you don't really care, just use whatever sugar you want. I mean, all it's really doing is making it easier for it to dilute. And if you ever made one of these drinks before, you'll notice that it tends to have sugar sitting at the bottom when you're all done. You're going to muddle that sucker. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your mint, your sugar, your syrups, you're going to muddle them together. And what that's going to do is going to break that mint, just little walls on it and everything, get out some of that cool pepperminty flavor without tearing. Don't like go all crazy. You can shake it, I guess, but it's usually people just muddle it. When you shake it, it starts to break into smaller pieces, and it doesn't have that same look to it. You really want the
then you got to double strain it and everything.
Yeah. You want the mint to kind of be floating inside, but as big chunks, like leaves size chunks. Hey, you can tell the difference now.
Oh, it's got floaties.
Oh, is that one? I think that pulp, does it?
With pulp.
With pulp.
It's okay. I love pulp.
Oh.
It's like
that's gonna add to it.
Yeah.
It's like a boba mojito.
See, I was trying to. But,
wow, that's got a lot of pulp.
It's a boba.
It's got a lot of pulp. Yeah, I was like,
Brianna hates the pulp ones.
Let me taste that.
Only because it's got
I like it.
It's fine. It's just
Oh, I mean, it tastes like shit.
Yeah.
It tastes like hydration.
Really? Have you drank coconut water right from the coconut?
Yes. I don't like that either. Ruby loves it. She gets the one that the one that's pink. Have you seen it in the grocery store?
No.
Because
Because it's probably trendy.
No, it's basically supposed to be like natural, and it just that's what happens.
But it's coconut water.
It like oxidizes and turns pink.
Oh. Yeah, I don't
Did
mind
you
the
mix it up a
floaties.
little bit?
You want me to mix it up a little bit?
Yeah, mix it up a little bit.
Yeah, you want to kick it up
Yeah,
to
come
like.
on. Or it's just gonna be like the last drink where we had Red Bull for the first like 6 sips.
Yeah, butter.
Yeah, that one. I mean, when we drank that a week ago.
Definitely not.
2 weeks
All
ago.
the same clothes.
Yeah, with all the same clothes. That's how it works.
That was a 2-week-old recipe.
Ah,
Let's check it out.
look, well, it looks cool because it's got the floaties in it, though.
I don't know. and I like coconut.
Actually, it does look good.
You like floaties?
I like floaties.
Let's see.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, kick it up. It's about time you started putting some flair into this. Ah, Jesus.
Flair.
That smells good.
Did you smack it?
No, I didn't.
Smells
I'll
good.
smack this though, just so I can get it on my hand.
Oh, this one's came out. No problem. You want to give it a slap when you put it in there. Wake it up a little bit. That helps break some of the little walls of the mint.
Cell walls
Gives
to
you
like,
that-
let the
gives you
oils
that-
express.
So that's the. It's still going to be coconutty because you can see the rum in the bottom.
So we got to figure out which one I have to remake.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
oh wow,
Hmm.
that's way different than I thought it was going to be.
It's really good. I like the coconut one.
Yeah.
I do too.
Really?
I like another one. of
Yeah.
those.
That's good.
After all that, I don't like coconut water.
I'm not a big fan of coconut water, but I'll tell you what.
Why
That
is
coconut rum
Oh, it must be.
Oh,
Yeah.
is really good.
Really good.
You took my ghetto one though.
Well, it's going to Brianna.
Why is that like? So here's my thing.
Do you put a little bit, do you carbonate this a little bit though?
Oh, like add a little carbonation on top to get the jumpiness. With the
I don't know if it needs it. It tastes really good.
should I get the? It doesn't matter. She doesn't really care for the. Can we strain out the bits on this one?
Yeah, I'll make sure there's no bits.
Yeah,
I didn't know
'cause-
there were bits at first.
Oh, why she doesn't like the bits?
She not really.
I think it adds to the showmanship.
No, I think it's good because you also can have something to chew.
Mm.
She just doesn't like them.
It's like boba. Like you said.
I think it's more so she doesn't like when she drinks it from the bottle because she can't. I don't know. It feels like you get like little looties and stuff.
You don't know what's coming when you drink it out of the
Yeah, it's
bottle.
weird. But this is really tasty.
It's really tasty. I love mojitos, and that's really tasty.
Well, before you drink it all, then.
You have to taste it.
Yeah, take that one.
I think it's the rum that really makes it.
Yeah, it's got a lot more depth to it.
Mm.
Like the thing I hate about mojitos is it just tastes like carbonated water. It's like diluted rum.
Do you like it?
It's almost got like a chocolate taste. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's just a lot going on.
Yeah, it's good. Like I'm telling you, the rum makes a big.
Well, we all know that plantations.
That rum actually makes
Good
a
stuff
big
anyway.
difference
It's
because it doesn't taste fake.
No.
no, like and the
It
problem.
almost has like a chocolate taste to it.
Yeah,
Mm.
the chocolate depth, the coconut flavor. You don't even notice there's no carbonation.
Mm.
With this one, it just tastes like
You're right, it's
watered
like-
down rum. Like I've never been a huge fan. So 2 reasons I hate mojitos.
Oh, sorry.
I don't hate mojitos.
Oh my god, I love mojitos.
Why I dislike them is they're kind of hard to make.
You think that's hard?
Well, if you're making one for yourself, like they go really fast, and then you're doing the
Drink
fucking
it
thing
so
again.
fast.
Like
But like on a hot day,
it's
like
just
a mojito is like
like when we're at the pool, and if I gotta make 8 of these, it's a lot of work.
no, yeah, that's a lot.
Like
of work.
you could model them again, put sugar in there, get a lime in there. Where you could just build them in maybe if you built it in a jug and like floated the mint in there.
Oh, deliver it. Do it.
We're making you one
Look at Ian's coming to deliver it.
See, that tastes
Bring
better.
it up.
because
Oh,
you
no,
stir it.
I'll come join.
You gonna come join?
Yeah, I'll come hang.
Yeah, because it brings up the lime. You're gonna jump over,
You gotta
you
duck or something.
or walk through, and I edit it.
Edit.
That's the coconut.
Walk cut.
Okay, now we're back.
So now it's too sour.
Well, because you're used to this one now.
Oh, just swapping back and forth.
No. Well, he stirred it up to get
Mm.
like the mint, like or the rest of it into the water column, if you will.
Super good.
But I don't.
That's really good.
I
didn't know
don't
if I
think
was
we need
gonna
to
really
do
like
it,
it.
but I am curious if it is if it's make another one.
Oh, it's all the rum.
Like, what if we make the mojito, but we
See,
use
this isn't terrible either. I like a mojito.
yeah, but what if we made a
I love
mojito
mojitos.
with this,
Make a mojito with coconut.
just that, like a normal straight up mojito?
And then you're going to use
'Cause
this.
Yeah, with, like a normal mojito with club soda. I'm just curious if if it has anything to do with if it's all the rum or if it's the rum combo with the coconut water that gives it like that, like the depth to it, you know?
Find out.
People are going to be like, how come you didn't get past your third video? Well,
Here's the problem.
we started off going island hopping with a banana daiquiri, and we ended up in mojito land.
After an Irish trash can.
Yeah, after the Irish trash can made us really peppy.
Yeah.
All downhill from there.
Yeah. Like,
We bartended poolside.
dude, this is really good.
Right?
Like, I just want to keep.
It's really good.
It's like the chocolate flavor.
I want to buy some of that goddamn rum. Like, I don't know if it would be as good with different rum.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Like a.
Or trying to use like a normal rum and like, you know, like a coconut. I think it would just.
doesn't say like, well, they don't have to tell you anything. Normally they brag about it, but I thought maybe they'd say like, oh yeah, we made it with chocolate. So it looks like it's just
the rum itself doesn't taste chocolatey if you taste it.
product. No, you're right. It is kind of boozy, right? Like it's strong. It's a
It tastes
Barbados.
coconutty, that's for sure.
It's like a Mount Gay, except for it's not like comparing your plantation to Mount Gay.
The banana daiquiri one was. Yeah,
Oh, this would have went good in a banana daiquiri, like a Mount Gay black barrel.
See, I'm telling you, we should have went a different rum and the banana daiquiri would have been better.
Probably. And you know, this is pretty funny. It literally says no sugar added. Like, because people have been putting a little bit, like plantation, putting a little sugar to round it
sweet.
out. And you really aren't supposed to do that.
Then you got to stir up a little.
And then
bit,
you can
though.
blend in some of this plantation pineapple,
Ooh,
right?
that's
Boom,
very
boom.
good.
Yeah. Like, did you? Yeah, I heard him wake it up. I heard it.
Bam.
You did.
Mojito number 4.
I like, dude, like the color
Looks good.
presentation. Like the
I'll tell you, there's
colors.
a little bits in it though. I think it adds to the presentation.
I
Might
like
as
the
well.
ones.
Do we have that? Oh, this. I think it's still got some of that chocolate going on. I am the biggest fan.
I think we get a good summer drink here.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh, even better.
Really?
Well, I mean, this is more subtle, but that, like, with the bubbles, it kind of wakes it up.
Okay. Yeah, they're a little different.
This is sweeter.
Yes.
This has that's sweeter.
Jen, try this one.
I see what they're saying with the 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice in the second recipe. I think I like the 3/4 ounce lime juice better than the 1 ounce.
Oh, did you put 1 ounce in there?
No, I told you.
No, 3.
No, it's one.
Yeah, that's a 1.
It's the full. It's the original.
Oh, yeah,
recipe.
maybe.
Regular one, but with the coconut rum.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the 3/4.
But I think maybe in general, like not just that recipe, but a mojito itself, I think I prefer it with a little less lime in it.
I think I like that
That's why
one
this one.
better.
That's why this one's
With the
better.
bits.
Because it has a little bit.
Oh, because it has less lime and it
Yes.
has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, also like
Well, like
the coconut water itself has
Yeah.
flavor that's gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's got a little bit of sweetness to it. That's gonna help. As
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, cut.
yeah, I like this one better.
Yeah.
I mean, so I like the recipe for the coconut
So-
one better.
Another mojito like that,
And
just for you, Jen.
You
And
want
that-
to make another one, Ian?
If you want one, I'll make you one.
I'll drink it.
I'll drink it.
the coconut version.
Yes.
Yeah.
The full coconut version.
Yeah.
All right.
You can put the bits in there. You don't have to strain them out.
The
I
bits
strained
add
them out for
character, I
Brianna.
think.
They do.
Did you help Brianna strain them out? Well, I ordered them to be strained.
you ordered your drink with no
Yeah.
bits.
Yeah.
No
coconut-
bits.
No coconut
The
pulps.
bits.
water has pulp.
He had to pay. He had to pay $1 extra though for no
No
bits.
bits.
Yeah, I don't like the bits.
This bartender got bits.
The bits aren't bad though in here because it's
It's
like
alarming though when you're like drinking it
right.
and you don't know the bits are in there.
And
like
you're-
when I bought it once, and
Yeah.
I thought that it went bad.
And the funny thing is,
Oh,
that's
scary.
And it was from Walmart, so I really thought it
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary.
and that was the Vita one, right? Yeah, if you're drinking what you think is coconut water and you start getting floaties in your mouth, that would be
Yeah,
weird. Like
I get that.
It's a red flag.
huge red flag. Anyway, you guys should experiment with this. I was not a fan of mojito, but this coconut mojito is that shit's fire, yo.
Rum.
Can I mix fire and
For
yogurt
real.
together?
We just did it.
You can if you're in Breaking Bad.
That's right.
Well, there you go. Yeah, you could try. I would definitely get yourself some plantations.
Yeah.
I don't know how else you're going to reproduce the eye popping experience Dan had
Definitely.
without that. So get
You
yourself
need
some
it.
plantation coconut. I would.
You don't even
refrain-
have to go to the islands to get this.
No,
I mean, it's more fun, but you don't
Yeah.
have to.
and if you go to the islands, you're probably not even going to find that.
May probably not.
Because every time I go to the islands, all you find is like some generic ass shit and with whatever rum that island is special.
Wow.
Like we have it so much better from like microbreweries and spirit selection than so many other countries.
No, we import a lot of shit.
The bits
Yeah.
are kind of floats and soft. There's less bits in this than
Floaty bits. But that is it. Give it a try and get yourself a bartender starter kit in the link below. And that's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.
Yeah.
Woo!